You get home from work and you think, okay, I deserve a little scroll. And what? So you get out of work at 5. Your little scroll turned into a bigger scroll, and you snap out of it 5 hours later. At 10 p.m., you finally do all your stuff. You get it all done. You eat your food, whatever. And then it's 2 a.m. And then you're back to scrolling. And suddenly you see this guy on your screen. He's got this perfect morning routine. He's jacked. He reads books all the time. He's smart. He's funny. He plays golf. He plays football. He does whatever. He's a jack of all trades. He's literally good at everything. And you're just sitting in the dark watching him through a 5-inch screen, dreaming about a life that could be yours. And I've done this before. This is all I would do for so long. And instead of like having you feel motivated like it should, it just kind of hurts. You get this upsetting feeling of jealousy. I mean, you look at your own room, you look at your own day, and you're like, man, I am so far behind. I need to lock it in right now. And it makes you just feel frozen. Like everyone else is moving at 100 miles per hour, and you're just completely still. But here's the reality of it. Half of the stuff you look at on your phone late at night isn't even that perfect guy. Most of it's just dead space, total brain rot. You spend hours consuming these absolute nothing burgers of tung 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 sahur that you don't even care about. Stuff you won't remember in 5 minutes after you swipe away. But you keep scrolling anyway. Why? Because watching someone else live or just drowning your brain in useless noise is so much easier than actually existing in your own life. You see, your own life is happening right now, as we speak. It's just paused. We're on the main menu while you sit there and watch everyone else play the game. And we do it because staying on the main menu doesn't take any effort. Actually doing things, that requires input. Life is entirely what you make out of it, and you only get back what you put in. But putting it in is hard. Pause. And it drives me crazy because I look around and I see so many kids my age who are completely missing this basic sense of awareness. You see them wearing expensive clothes, holding nice backpacks, and then they'll complain about the most minor thing, meaningless things. They have zero self-awareness. They can't step into someone else's shoes for even a second to realize not everyone has this. Not everyone gets to experience this lifestyle. They all take it for granted because they're completely numb. They're so deep being an audience member of the world that they don't even realize they're throwing away their own youth. But look, I get why it happens. I'm not judging anyone because I feel that exact same way. I mean, taking a real action in the real world is hard. I mean, it makes you nervous. Like, you want to text your friends to hang out or go hit some golf balls or go shoot some hoops or whatever. But then that voice creeps into your head and it's like, what if we don't have a good time? What if it sucks? What if not enough people show up? What if it's awkward? Or say you just want to go to the gym, but your friend can't make it today and you have to go by yourself. And suddenly you start thinking about how busy it's going to be. There's going to be too many people there. You've never felt this anxious feeling when you went with a partner. But the second you walk through the doors alone, the friction wins. So you stay at home. You open the app and you start scrolling. Alright, so we're sitting on the main menu. How do we actually press start? Well, first you have to realize that jack of all trades guy that you see on your Instagram feed, his life is edited. You're comparing your raw, unfiltered, daily life to a polished 2-minute highlight reel. Trying to copy his perfect 15-step morning routine straight out of the gate is the trap. You don't need a flawless aesthetic to start leaving. You just need to take one real, unedited action. Because the truth is, we want the identity of being successful, being jacked, or being good looking, being cool, but we hate the effort it takes to get there. Like we said, life is an output game. You put in what you get. If you have all your energy into just watching other people build things, your output is zero. You have to be willing to do the boring, messy, lame work when nobody's watching and no cameras are rolling. Think about the gym anxiety. You don't want to go because it's busy or because you're alone, but look around next time you walk through those doors. Half the people in there are staring at their own screens between sets. They aren't even judging you. They are stuck in their own heads, fighting their own friction. The second you realize that nobody's actually watching you, a massive weight lifts off your shoulders. Not literally. You're allowed to just show up, do your workout, and build your own momentum. It's the exact same thing with your friends. We get so nervous that a hangout might be awkward or people won't show up, so we just don't text the group chat. But guess what? The fellas are probably just sitting in their rooms right now, staring at their phones, feeling lonely and waiting for someone else to send a message. So stop waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. Just drop the performance. Just send your friends a text. Get people together, even if it is just for food or golf, basketball, even a pool party. When you stop spectating your life, letting things happen to you, your entire perspective shifts. You stop looking at what everyone else has on social media, and you start looking at your own life with actual awareness. You realize how blessed you actually are to have the health, the time, and the opportunity to do cool things. You stop taking your youth for granted. You stop complaining about minor things because you're too busy focusing on your own path. So this is my challenge to you for the rest of the day. The second this video ends, don't let the algorithm automatically slide you into another one, unless it's mine. Don't close YouTube just to open TikTok and scroll through more nothing burgers. Close the app, put the phone face down on your desk, and go do one real thing that requires output. Clean a corner of your room. Like I said in my last video, do 20 push-ups, text a friend. Take your life off pause and stop spectating your own life and go play the game. Oh my gosh, it drives me crazy. What happened here? Usually, we like to wait until I'm in my bedroom to blow it up. I think you guys did it a little too early. Is this a metaphor? Is this for the spectating thing? I don't get it. This must be niche. Okay. Guess I'll just sit and watch TV then. It's really strange that they did it so early. Maybe I'll be safe tonight. No.